The following is a non-lethal bird control system for residential and commercial customers. These are blocks with plastic spikes that can be glued, screwed, or tied at the desired location. A variety of versions are available, including ones with plastic or metal spikes up to 8 centimeters in length. There are numerous potential applications, including in canopies, roof edges, summer houses, and beams in aisles and barns. In any case, installation is straightforward and effectiveness is high at least. The manufacturer asserts that towns spend thousands of dollars annually cleaning up bird droppings that are dangerous to both people and machinery because they damage paint. More than 30% of respondents said their workplace lacked light. Fortunately, office lighting can be improved with these light tunnels. They're a great help even in large business centers with windowless rooms, as one 52.5 centimeter tunnel is sufficient for areas of up to 40 square meters. Did you know that having natural light and a view from a window are among the most important factors for a productive workspace? At least, that's what one survey showed. His rooftop development has been featured on television. The Instant Dream Home program featured the innovative skylight. Since the goal of the show is to convert homes in a single day, the crew must move quickly, making this beautiful window that turns into a balcony the ideal product. The upper portion pivots upward 45 degrees or sideways 180 degrees. The lower portion is 98 centimeters high, and the effect is stunning and practical thanks to the folding fences behind it. The top secure system and P2 vandal-resistant glazing, which the manufacturer utilizes, offer burglary prevention, while the particular 40P valve ensures protection against condensation. $2,700 is about how much it costs. Installing this Chinese water heater on your roof will provide you with up to 300 liters of hot water for showers, dishwashing, and other uses. The water can be heated to a maximum of 62 degrees Celsius, but the tank is coated to withstand an additional 85 degrees Celsius just in case. A built-in backup system and an anode rod can prevent corrosion. A 300-liter version costs about $1,000. This is a great example for other cities, especially since many companies offer fully finished green roofs. They typically consist of several layers depending on the specifics of the project. For example, if the slope. Recently, experts decided to calculate the effectiveness of the government's rooftop greening program. It turned out that every $1.2 spent generated about $33 for the budget through new services benefits and business projects from new green locations. 3 specialist visits per year are sufficient to maintain the system. These sprinkler systems are no longer a luxury for many countries, but an absolute necessity because last year the European Union lost at least 700,000 hectares of woodland to forest fires, which is an absolute record in the last 100 years. They won't put out high-powered flames, but they won't allow wind-blown embers to flame up and help protect both the house and the surrounding plants. This patented version costs $240 and has a circumference of roughly 24 meters, weighs slightly more than 2 kilograms, and can be adjusted to almost any roof pitch. If that price is too high for you, there is an alternative for you to consider for $103. Others view rain as a chance to gain money while some view it as a problem. For instance, Richard's Rainwater firm collects, filters, and sells rainwater for $17 for 12 cans, but anyone can try to collect and filter rainwater because the filters start at $50. The filtering rates will range from 120 to 480 liters per minute depending on the model. Maximum roof area of 120 square meters is ideal. The 250 micron cells give a cleaning effectiveness of more than 90% and have a maximum precipitation rate of 75 millimeters per hour. In 2022, record-breaking heat waves shocked many Europeans. In some French cities, the temperature topped 40 degrees Celsius, and in Berlin, it reached 39 degrees Celsius. When hot air from the street travels through a moist substance, the water cools the air and causes it to evaporate. Touch panels and Wi-Fi-enabled smartphones can be used to manage the temperature. The price ranges from $3 to $5. In addition, the air in the room is refreshed every 2 to 3 minutes, allowing you to quickly get rid of unpleasant odors. The cooling plates are up to 13 centimeters thick, the housing matches the ceiling, and the pump is self-cleaning. The combination of solar technology and Scandinavian design results in a roof that produces energy, but without having to worry about installing solar panels. Instead, the secret is in the roof material, which from the outside appears to be completely ordinary, but each standard-sized panel, measuring 51.5 by 164 centimeters, produces about 105 watts of power. Each panel weighs about 12 kilograms and is made of steel with a cosine based on rapeseed oil. There are several variants of these snow stops, such as the SD6500 model, which will help with standing seam roofs. The main material is 304 stainless steel, which is utilized for ventilation systems. Screws are used for fastening, so drilling is not necessary. The system may be customized to fit the home's overall decor thanks to the 40 colors that are offered, and the manufacturer's website has a calculator for determining the necessary numbers. The conventional version comes in a pack of 32 units, but the competition has an answer with a model that works well on its own or as an addition and is excellent for steeply pitched roofs. This model costs $255 for a pack of 50 pieces. Musk does a lot, and his Starlink satellite internet service has allowed him to ascend to rooftops. Starlink's construction started in 2015, but it is still in the news. In January of this year, Nigeria became the first African nation to use the network, and in May, 1.5 million people globally were subscribed to it. In addition, more than 3,500 satellites have already been launched. To connect them, you must first install them outside, such as on a roof, and then connect them to a router and power source. You must then configure them using an app, and the antenna will automatically rotate to find the best location for speed. Ventilation of the attic or roof. The permitted roof inclination extends from 15 to 75 degrees, and just 4 screws need to be undone for maintenance. It is designed for metal shingles, can be fitted on finished roofs, and doesn't let rain through. It also functions even when there is 10 centimeters of snow on the roof. This model from a different manufacturer stands out for the accessories it comes with: a kit of screws, sealants, and instructions for a rubber gasket priced at $33 for the first edition and $52 for the second. This system has dimensions of 33 by 26 centimeters and weighs roughly a kilogram. Keeping with the solar energy theme, we have an ASIC ventilation system. Let's discuss its benefits. First, it will minimize the demand on the air conditioner and, consequently, the electricity bill. Second, it eliminates hot air stagnation, which can damage the roof. Thirdly, adequate air exchange lowers the possibility of damage to items kept in the attic. The method displayed may be used on both flat and sloped roofs, was developed without the use of plastic parts, and was inspired by jet engines. The company reminds us of a quick technique to monitor the attic temperature in the summer. It shouldn't be higher than the outside temperature by more than 10 to 15 degrees. The 20-watt unit readily moves up to 25 cubic meters each minute.